The narrator of Jack London's The Sea Wolf is Humphrey Van Weyden, a gentleman and a writer. Some critics have argued that although Van Weyden narrates the story, the protagonist is actually Wolf Larsen. Personally, I believe that the novel's true protagonist is Van Weyden, because he is the one who undergoes a transformation. At first, Van Weyden is soft and unaccustomed to physical labor, but his time aboard the ship quickly changes that. The harsh environment allows Van Weyden to discover courage and strength he did not know he had. Similarly, when Van Weyden meets Larsen for the first time, he is disturbed by his outlook on life. However, he does grow to admire his fierce independence. Also, although Van Weyden is hardened by his experiences, he maintains his fundamental belief in the value of life. At the end of the novel, despite their differences, Van Weyden cares for Larsen and gives him a respectful burial at sea when he dies. In conclusion, although Larsen is a very strong character, the real protagonist of The Sea Wolf is Van Weyden, because he develops as a character while also staying true to his beliefs.